This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so this was our last class where I was talking about condition type controls over here. And there were a lot of fields what we have discussed, how to work out with the condition class, calculation type, condition category, plus and minus functionality, group conditions. We also work with this particular tab changes which can be made. And under this changes which can be made, we looked into a field functionality called as manual entry, different between header condition types and the item condition type, delete checkbox functionality, amount and percentage, value, quantity relation, calculation type, all these things we have discussed it. Now, the next tab where we need to work out is going to be the master data. Now, in this master data, this is going to be with reference to condition record maintenance. This is going to be with reference to condition record maintenance over here. Like here, we need to basically maintain this particular information. Like when you're trying to go for creating a condition record. Now see, so if you get into VK11 transaction code, as soon as you're trying to enter the material sales office along with the amount over here, what happens is valid from valid to information is going to be getting copied up. Valid from valid to information is getting copied up by default. Now, how by default these values are getting posted is what we are interested in. So to get this default valid from valid to information, we are trying to work with this particular field, valid from valid to. So if you leave it as blank, what happens? By default, system is going to be trying to take present date as valid from. Valid to will be taken as an infinity period over here. Now, for suppose if you are trying to change it valid to, I'm just trying to change it to end of current month over here. Let's say I'm just trying to change it to end of current month. Save it. Now, if you go for creating an order, what happens? You can observe it. So try to create an order BA01. Sorry, record maintenance. So if you get into VK11, now here what happens? This validity period will be updated to current month over here. So this are the default value. If end user want to change this value, he can. By default, if you want this information need to be getting copied up, you can take the help of this particular field, valid from valid to fields over here. Okay. Now, next one which we need to know over here is going to be the pricing procedure functionality. Now, to use this particular pricing procedure, we need to work out with a topic called as condition supplement. We need to work with a concept called as condition supplement over here. Now, what you mean by this condition supplement and how it works out? Now, this is nothing but to offer bulk discount to the customer. There's nothing but to offer bulk discounts to the customer over specific period of time. On every day, you're not going to be offering bulk discounts to the customer. Only for a certain period of time, the companies are going to be offering bulk discounts. So at what time you will be seeing this one? During festival season. During festival season, company will be offering a lot of discounts. Or on slow moving products, company want to offer a lot of discounts. They want to get rid of that particular stock. Or if your product is near to expiry period also, the company want to get rid of that stock, they try to offer bulk discounts. So if company need to offer bulk discounts, then we try to work out with this condition supplement concept over here. Okay, I'm just trying to explain the steps involved in it. Like first step, like what all discounts you want to offer, you need to maintain it. As soon as you try to enter the material selling price, and how much amount you need to offer it as a discount, everything is going to be getting copied up over here. No need for the user to enter the values manually. By default, it will be getting copied up. So for that, first thing you need to basically go for creating a pricing procedure. So create supplement pricing procedure. That's going to be the first step. So apart from your main pricing procedure, we are going to be creating a supplement pricing procedure over here. And this is going to be mapped by a transaction code v/08. That's the first step. Okay, so here I'm just trying to create one supplement pricing procedure. And in this particular pricing procedure, you need to mention the condition types. Like for example, selling price, I want to maintain it. On the selling price, what all discounts you want to offer, add that particular discounts itself. You're not going to be maintaining any other conditions, no net value, no taxes, no VPRS, no total, nothing. So on selling price, what all discounts you want to offer, make sure all those condition types are maintained in this particular procedure. Then you try to work out with step 2. In this step 2, what you do, you try to assign this supplement pricing procedure. Assign supplement pricing procedure to the condition type. Assign supplement pricing procedure to the condition type over here. To which condition type? The condition type on which you want to offer the discounts. Now, for example, if you try to select PR00, so on this, to this PR00, I'm going to be assigning the supplement pricing procedure. This is going to be our second step. Step 3, we need to go for maintenance of the record. Okay, so maintain condition records. You will be maintaining condition records only for PR00. On that PR00, what all discounts you want to offer, everything is going to be maintained in one record itself. And step 4, perform test. Where? In sales order. Performs test in sales order. As soon as you try to enter the material selling price along with discounts, everything need to be getting copied up by default. You're not going to be entering any value manually. Okay, so this is what you need to do when you work with condition supplement. No need for the end user to enter any value manually. By default, it need to be getting copied up. How it need to be performed is what this concept is all about. Now I'm just trying to do the configuration for this. So first thing, so select or go to vstat06. Select our condition type. So PR00 is the condition type which I'm trying to select it. On this PR00, or sorry, do one thing, just create one procedure, vstat08. So take the help of new interest and try to create one supplement pricing procedure over here. Now to this particular procedure, try to assign the condition types. So select the procedure, click on control and try to assign the condition types over here. So take the help of new interest. So step counter, I'm trying to maintain first condition as a selling price. No need to activate any other fields as well. So step number 20, what all discounts you want to offer on selling price, maintain that discount conditions. So K004, K005, K007, these are all going to be the discounts which I want to offer on our selling price. That's it, no need to activate any other field, just maintain it. And one more point you need to keep in mind, whatever condition types you try to maintain in the supplement pricing procedure, all these condition types need to be maintained in our main pricing procedure. Need to be maintained in our main pricing procedure. Okay, so try to save this particular supplement pricing procedure. Now once you save this one, now what? Now second steps, we need to assign the supplement pricing procedure to our condition type. So once you create it, get back to vstat06, pick up our condition types over there. PR00. I'm trying to pick this one. And if you get into details, here we try to maintain it. So I'm going to be replacing the standard with a customized one. Whatever pricing procedure you have created, try to assign it over here. Okay, try to assign it over here and try to save this one. Done. The supplement pricing procedure has been assigned up. Now once done with this, now what? Now go for maintenance of the record. So if you get into VK11, so maintain condition type. And I'm trying to work out with this material combination over here. So sales SOG by SAM M6 is the distribution channel, material HDTV, and along with the price. So price, I'm trying to maintain it around 50,000 rupees over here. Okay, now select this line item, and there's the icon for condition supplement. So click on this condition supplement and maintain the discount amounts over here. So K004 is the first discount I want to offer, where I'm trying to maintain 2,000 rupees as a discount amount. Now, next one is going to be K005. So K005, customer material discount, where I'm trying to offer 1,000 rupees as a discount amount. K007, I'm trying to offer it based on percentage, so 2%. So what all discounts you want to offer on selling price, all that discount conditions need to be maintained up over here. No need for the end user to enter individual amount manually in the order. So maintain that values. Try to save this one. Now once you save it, now test it. Now create an order. Now once you create an order, what happens? Once you enter the material, selling price, and the discount amount you're going to be offering it, everything need to be getting copied automatically. Everything need to be getting copied automatically. Now see, so create an order. So document type YAOR Y4. So maintain our sold party. So I'm trying to enter the material over here. So HDTV order quantity is what I'm trying to maintain it. Now if you get into item data, so on the item data, if you get into conditions tab, okay, system is trying to pick different value. 1 second. Okay, now save this one. Now check it out. If you create an order BS01, product quantity, now get into item data. So under item data, conditions tab, now you can see all discounts has been copied along with your price. So it will be saving the end user time frame to record the transaction. So if we want discounts, everything need to be getting copied automatically. And all these fields are in editable mode. So if user want to change the discount amount, it can be done. But these discount amount is going to be valid only for a certain period, not for entire duration. Why? Because if you select the condition type and click on condition records, here it will be maintained only for this time frame on this particular price. These are the discounts which are going to be offered. Everything has been maintained up over here. Okay, this is how it works out. Condition supplement. So if you want to work with condition supplement, make sure you create one pricing procedure and assign it to the condition type. On which condition type you want this functionality need to be carried out. Try to maintain the records and try to work with the testing functionality using that. So this is a concept of condition supplement. So that is the reason we are trying to take the help of this particular field in our condition type controls. In case if you want to work with the supplement pricing procedure, so make sure select the condition type and try to activate this particular field. Pricing procedure. So I'm just trying to replace the standard with the customized one. Sorry, I'm trying to replace the customized with the standard one. I don't want to use a customized one for the standard condition type. So I'm just trying to replace it. There's a field functionality, pricing procedure. Now, next field we need to focus on over here is going to be delete from database. Now, this delete from database is nothing but how your condition record need to be deleted. There are going to be three options which are going to be working out over here. One, do not delete, set deletion flag only. Second one, with pop-up, and third one, without pop-up. How these three fields are going to be working is what we need to know. Okay. Now, if you for each and every condition type, by default, it will be maintained as do not delete, set deletion flag only. Do not delete, set deletion flag only means what? Once you delete any particular condition record, that information is going to be still available in SAP for future reference. If you maintain this particular field. Now see, if you activate it, save it. I'm trying to delete the existing condition record maintained for SOS. If we get into VK12, SOS. Now this is my record maintained. Now how to know whether this condition is deleted or inactive? If you see this checkbox is getting activated, that means condition record has been deleted. If it is blank, it's active. Now if you select this line item and click on this delete option over here, and there's a message we are getting it. Deletion indicator has been set. Now wait to see. There's a place where you're going to be observing it. And now try to save it. Now condition record has been deleted. Again, if you try to refresh this one, you are able to see that information. So in case in a business, if they want to know on a particular date how much amount has been offered as a discount, they can open the record and they can view this information. When it is possible, in case if consultant maintain this particular field by rule, do not delete, set deletion flag only. In case if you're trying to change it with pop-up, physically the data is going to be deleted from the record. Physically, the data is going to be deleted from the record. No information is going to be available in the future. Now see, so if you try to maintain it as with pop-up, save this one. Now I'm trying to maintain one record once again. So if you get into VK11, I'm trying to maintain a record. So product, 1,000 rupees is what discount I'm trying to maintain it. Okay, let's save it. Now try to get into change mode, VK12 transaction code. So get into change mode and try to delete this particular record which has been maintained. Now select this and click on delete. Now see how system is going to be reacting. We are getting this particular message. Do you want to delete the condition record physically? So once you delete, in the future, no information is going to be getting displayed up. Now see, if you click on yes option over here, condition record is deleted. Try to save it. And now once again, if you try to click on execute option, you can see no information being displayed up. Condition record has been deleted for good from the database. With a pop-up, your system is trying to throw a pop-up because we have selected with pop-up. So whenever you're trying to delete a record, system need to throw a pop-up message, but data is going to be deleted physically. In the future, that information is going to be not available. In the future, that information will be not available. In case if you're trying to select it with rule B without pop-up, you don't get that pop-up message. That's it. But record is going to be deleted for good from the database once again. Now see, if you maintain it without pop-up, save it. We don't have a record, so I'm just trying to maintain one record once again. So 2,500 is the discount amount. Now save it. Now try to delete this record. So if you get into VK12 transaction code, try to delete this one. So select this one, delete it. And there's a message we are getting. We are not even getting any kind of pop-up message over here. We're not even getting any kind of pop-up message. Now, if you try to save this one, done. Condition record has been deleted. Condition record has been deleted over here. This is how it's going to be working. Okay. So there's a concept of how you're going to be deleting the records. So in case if you don't want to delete anything, you want that information need to be displayed. So always make sure you work with this particular rule. So always try to maintain in our condition type controls. You need to get a do not delete set deletion flag only. Okay. Always make sure you activate this one. So that in the future, if you want to know on which date, how much amount has been offered as a discount, that information is going to be available. For each and every condition type, we try to maintain this particular thing itself. Do not delete set deletion flag only. Okay. So next one is going to be condition index over here. Now this condition index is going to be with reference to pricing reports. This condition index is going to be with reference to pricing reports. Okay. Now, when we try to deal with the pricing reports, there I can explain you how to use this particular field. Not at the moment. Step by step, we try to discuss this one. And we have this particular field condition update. Now, how to use this particular field condition update over here. Now, when we talk about this condition update, first thing you will be saying this calculation type is going to be disabled. Now, once you click on enter and try to save it, you will be seeing this calculation type getting disabled. So if you inactivate it, save it, you will be seeing this calculation type enabled. Okay. Next thing, if you activate this particular thing, condition update, now try to maintain the record. Week 11 transaction code. SOS is a condition type. Product amount. Now select this particular line item and click on extras from the menu bar. Sorry, go to. Under this, go to additional data. So here you will be seeing this particular tab, limit for pricing. So if you want this tab need to be displayed, limit for pricing. So always make sure in condition type controls, condition update checkbox is active. Okay, condition update checkbox should be active. So activate it and explore the functionality maintained for these particular fields over here. So this is what we are going to be working on. So in case if this field is inactive, condition update, save it. Now try to maintain the record once again. You will be not seeing that particular tab displayed up itself. Select it, go to additional data. Don't see that particular tab. Okay. So if you want that tab need to be displayed, always make sure in our condition type controls, activate condition update checkbox. Save this one. Now once you save it, now how to work with that particular fields. So if you get into week 11, SOS, I'm just trying to maintain 4,000 rupees as our discount amount over here. Now select this one. Now I have these fields: maximum condition value, maximum number of orders, maximum condition based value over here. Okay, so here I'm just trying to maintain this one, maximum condition values. So here, what is the maximum amount you want to offer it as a discount? What is the maximum amount you want to offer it as a discount? Okay, you can maintain that information over here. Now see, for example, I'm trying to maintain some amount, maximum condition value. Maximum amount I want to offer it as a discount is going to be 15,000 rupees on this particular product. If you don't maintain it as minus, then it will be taken as a surcharge. So always trying to maintain it as minus. So maximum amount I want to offer it as a discount is going to be 15,000 rupees for multiple transactions. It's not for single transaction. Cumulative. After this value has been reached, what happens? The system will not offer any kind of discounts. Now say I'm just trying to maintain it and save it. Now work it out. Now if you try to create an order, so I'm just trying to record the first transaction. I'm just trying to take 3 units over here. Now for 3 units, now see how much amount is the discount offered. 4,000 rupees per piece, so 12,000 has been copied up. That's fine. Now try to save this. Now if you try to create a second order, and once again if you try to take same quantity, Now, how the system is going to be reacting for that? So discount is going to be offered only like 4,000 rupees per piece, but what is the discount amount offered? 3,000. Because we maintain maximum amount, we are going to be offering it as a discount. It's going to be 15,000, not more than that. Not more than that. So that balance amount has been copied up over here. That balance amount has been copied up over here. Now, once you save it, done. Again, if you're trying to create a new order, let's take one quantity itself and now see the discount amount copied. So if you get into conditions tab, you can see discount amount has been offered as 0 over here. No discount amount. That's how it's going to be working. This is how it's going to be working over here. Okay, because we maintain a limitation that only a maximum of 15,000 is going to be offered as a discount, not more than that. That's how this field is going to be working. Or if you open existing record, we get 12 transaction code. Now select this line item, click on go to additional data. You will be seeing this one. Or if you click on this icon, cumulative values. So this discount has been offered for which orders that information is going to be getting displayed up over here. Okay. These are the two orders for which the total amount of 15,000 has been offered as a discount. You can see that information displayed up. So this how this field is going to be looking. So you'll be seeing some promotions going on in the market. So like we are offering a discount of 10 lakhs worth. Maximum limit is going to be 10 lakhs. So you can use that one over here. That's how it works out. Maximum condition value. Again, if you're trying to, I'm just trying to replace this one with a new one over here. Go to additional data. So I'm working with the second field, maximum number of orders. Okay, so you will be seeing again some promotions in the market. Only for the first 10 sales order, this discount is going to be offered. Only for the first 5 orders, this discount will be applicable, not more than that. You can maintain the limitations. Now, like say, I'm trying to take up an example of 2. Only for the first 2 sales order, this discount is going to be offered, irrespective of the quantity. After that 2 orders, if any customer is placing an order, no more discount. See, I'm just trying to maintain one order over here. I'm just trying to take 34 units. This time it's going to be order specific. So if you get into conditions tab, this is what the record maintained, and there's a discount amount offered up. That's my first sales order saved. Now, if you try to create a second sales order, some I'm trying to take 100 quantity. For this particular order also, discount is going to be applicable. Done. Now try to save it. Now, if you try to create a third sales order, no more discount. 100 units itself. Now here you can see no more discount. We are getting this particular message, mandatory condition SOS is missing over here. We're not getting that discount itself because we maintain limitation only for the first 2 sales order. Discount need to be offered, not anymore. This is how it's going to be working. That is the functionality of that particular field, what we are trying to maintain it. Now, third field. So once again, I'm just trying to create a new record. 2,600 is the discount what I'm trying to maintain it. Select this one, go to additional data. I'm trying to maintain this time. This one is going to be with reference to pieces. First one, amount. Second one, orders. Third, with reference to pieces. How much quantity? I'm trying to maintain 5 pieces. Only for the first 5 pieces, discount is going to be offered. After that, no more discount. So maintain it, save this one. Now, if you test it once again, so create an order. Only for the first 5 pieces, discount is going to be offered. I'm just trying to take 2 units for this time, for this order. Now you can see discount amount copied up. Now save it. Now, I'm just trying to create one more order. I'm trying to take 10 quantity, but discount is going to be offered only for 3 units. So if you get into item data, you can see discount amount has been offered only for the 3. For remaining 7, no more discount, because we maintain a limitation saying that only for the first 5 quantity discount is going to be offered. After that, no more discount. After that, no more discount. That's how this field is going to be working. So if you want to maintain any kind of limitation for a record, this discount need to be applicable only for this much quantity, or based on orders, or based on value. You need to make sure in condition type controls, condition update checkbox is going to be active. Then only you can work it out. Otherwise, you can't work with this particular thing. This checkbox is what you need to maintain. Condition update. Okay, that is a field functionality. So if you activate it, calculation type is going to be inactive, and we have one special tab getting activated in our condition records. Please make a note of this one. This is useful for us. Next concept we need to work out is going to be condition exclusion. We don't have that particular field over here. Okay, condition exclusion, we can discuss it later, but we have this particular tab, reference condition type. I'm just trying to tell the use of it, but in real time, we don't use this one. So we maintain condition record for one condition type and refer it to other condition type. So if you have multiple discounts, what we do, we try to maintain condition record for one condition type and we refer it to other. We refer it to other condition types. So what happens? So one record is going to be applicable for multiple condition types. Now this functionality is not going to be used for discounts, it will be used for taxes. So if you use different tax percentages, so user need to maintain multiple condition records. So instead of maintaining multiple, you can maintain only one condition record and you can use it for multiple condition types. And you can use it for multiple condition types. For that, we use this particular tab, reference condition type. Okay, this is not widely used in the business because user will be not having that much of knowledge. But SAP has provided an option. Instead of maintaining multiple records, you can maintain a single record and you can refer it to multiples over here. Then comes a tab called as scales. Now this one we are going to be working it in tomorrow's class. So tomorrow we try to finish off our pricing because scales and control data 2 are the 2 fields we need to work it out. So tomorrow we try to close this pricing and work with SDFI integration concepts as well. Okay, so let me stop it over here. So work it out and let me know this one.
Brother, please share this notes, brother. Videos of today's class and 2 classes before. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.